Exercise 11. The measure of an angle C is 42 degrees. If sine of C multiplied by cosine of D is 0, which of the following could be the measure of angle D? Okay, so don't forget that we could use our calculators. So I am using Casio FX CG50. Let's see here. Sine C. So sine of 42 times cosine D is 0. So let's go to the run matrix. Let me do that a bit bigger. Sine of 42 degrees is 0.669. 0.669 times cosine D equals 0, or I could use just the option calc solven to do sine 42 times cosine of x equals to 0, which means that, remember that in case you use your calculator, the calculator knows that there are infinitely as many different angles that produce the same cosine of 0. We should accept the one that theoretically is in here. And that would have been 90 degrees, because cosine of 90 is 0.